Them say come to church and on your Sunday best, but Jesus never check for no address. So whether you in a designer or you're distressed, him just want your heart, forget the rest. Pull up to the altar in your sneakers and your chains. Don't matter if you're fresh off the block or off the plane. Tattoos on your neck, cause nobody else can see. He ain't checking your resume, just wants you free. You've been running from the pews cause they judge your past. Said you gotta clean up first, but that don't last. He met the woman at the well in the heat of day. Didn't wait for her to change, loved her anyway. No need to hide who you are. He sees through the message your heart. From the club to the corner to the stars, he calling you just as you are. There's no dress code in heaven. Come broken, come messy, come 7 by 7. Bring your sins and your questions. No dress code in heaven. He's been waiting. Come as you are, with your hurts and your scars. There's no dress code in heaven. They want you silent, respectable and tame, but David danced so hard he had no shame. You think your lifestyle's too far gone? Check Matthew, check Mark. He ate with cons, still smoking, still drinking, still getting back. He ain't scared of your struggle, he heard you cry. Religion build walls, but grace build a bridge. She'll meet you in the valley, not just on the ridge. No need to hide who you are. He sees through the mess, sees your heart. From the trap to the penthouse to the bars, he calling you just as you are. There's no dress code in heaven. Come broken, come messy, come 7 by 7. Bring your sins and your questions. No dress code in heaven. He's been waiting. Come as you are, with your hurts and your scars. There's no dress code in heaven. Came as a hustler, left with a purpose. Came with my burdens, he said they worth it. Came with my doubts and my late night thoughts. He said, child, you're exactly who I saw. No mention required, no church had neither. Just bring your belief and he'll be your healer. From the streets to the sheets where you lay your head, he knows your name, every tear you shed. There's no dress code in heaven. Come angry, come anxious, come looking for a lesson.